How to track order on Shein application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to track your order using the Shein application. So this process is same for both iOS and Android devices, so let's get started. First of all, you have to open your Shein application and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Once you're in the app, look at the top left corner of the screen to open the envelope icon and tap on it. Now select Orders. If you haven't placed any orders yet, this section will be empty. However, if you have an order to track, simply select the item you want to check and then go to Order Details. At the bottom of the screen, you will find several different options, and in the middle, there is a Track option. Tap on that and you will see the current status of your order. It may still be at the original location or it could be en route to you. And that's how you can track your order using the Shein application. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section.